Now guys, imagine this property with 72,000 square meters land area. You know, nandito tayo sa pool with main house, additional pool area with cave plus a lagoon. Ang laki ng property, you know, kasi meron siyang 500 rambutan tree, may durian tree, may mango tree, may niyog, may mangosteen, may lansones, napakadaming iba, with 1,000 number of chicken, land area with biotic and abiotic elements, plus cave, torrents property, fee simple, and selling in the market for 257 million pesos kasama itong mga live saso chickens. Alright guys, so imagine kakain tayo. Ito yung food dito sa harap natin, from garden to kitchen and then to table. Ayan yung benefits, lalo na pag meron kang farm. Idol Rapi, Idol Romeo Gakutan, kain tayo. Let's go! Alright, so before we start our house tour, no, thank you so much to our listing agents, to the seller who contacted us to shoot this massive, expansive, huge, yeah, it's a big property for sale here in Bailen, Cavite. No, by the way, no, this Bailen, Cavite, from Tagaytay, papunta dito sa Bailen. So, dadaan tayo ng Alfonso, Cavite. Then, it takes around 25 minutes, 20 to 25 minutes drive away. Pero right now, napakaganda ng property natin because meron siyang mga biotic elements. Anyway, this is the entrance gate. Meron kang tatlong frontage. So, this is the first frontage and then the other one, the frontage area. And over here, you have the... Yeah, it's your guardhouse area. Right now, meron siyang guard na dalawa. And napakaganda ng special feature ng property na to because upon entering dito sa huge, yeah, it's a farm property, no? Meron ka itong parang kanilang sanitation area kasi marami silang mga biotic elements. Now, biotic elements is the living thing. Kasi meron silang baka, may manok, may pato, at marami pa pong iba. Okay, so this is the frontage. As you can see, it's a torrents property, by the way, no? It's a fee simple, the highest form of ownership, which also meron siyang additional mga land area because of the accretion. Accretion means additional land because of the stream, then of the sea, pero ito may accretion area siya. Kaya it's more than included or the easement area side na pasukat nyo. Okay, so right here, you have the vegetable space. Okay, this is your driveway leading us to the beautiful modern house with 2 swimming pool. Of course, no, during nighttime, napakaganda nito kasi marami siyang mga solar lamps. Ang daming mga solar lamps which is also gives additional aesthetic, no, dito sa property na to. Alright, so let's go, Benji. Anyway, no, wag kang mag-escape, wag mong i-miss kasi pupunta tayo mamaya sa kuweba. Okay, imagine na itong property nito may kuweba, may lagoon, at marami silang mga firecrackers. Firecrackers? Anyway, right there, ito yung this is part of the property. Mayroon kang, what do you call that one? Dragon fruit. Okay. Malalaki ang drainage. And then may water tank. By the way, no, meron siyang 4 na bahay na malalaki. Okay, it's 4 houses. Okay, this is a real estate, no? Anything attached to the land, improvement, building, plants, yeah, is real estate properties. Okay? Okay, shout out kay Mr. Andy Tan, yung ating mga kliyente na nanonood diyan, no? And then shout out kay Sir Rey. Hi, sir! Hi, Mr. Duterte. Hello. And then kay Mr. Bato. Hi! Shout out sa'yo. And of course, no, sa ating mga liaisons and then ating mga brokers na nagbibigay sa atin na napakagandang property for sale. So, thank you so much. Okay, nakagaito ako ngayon kasi farm at iikot ko kayo sa buong property. No, kitang-kita nyo naman sa drone kung gaano kalaki itong ating property. Okay, the first improvement right now is here. So upon entering, okay, so imagine this is the driveway area. So you have the grotto over there. Oh, and ang ganda ng pinaka-welcoming vibe na yan. And then meron kang structural dito, guys. Structure is a building. It's your storage area. Storage area kasi very necessary. Kasi meron silang fish pond, may mga chicken, may poultry area. Okay, imagine, no? Imagine meron kang maraming mga ampalaya. It's a plantation. Okay, let's go, Benji. And then in here, wow, walang problema sa tubig kasi meron silang water tank. Ayan, deep well. Okay. And then, wow. Anyway, no, if you haven't subscribed our channel, I invite you all to hit that subscribe button and click that bells to get you notified for whenever we release new YouTube videos. Okay, unahin muna natin yung kanilang mga poultry area, no? Before the main house, the swimming pool, and the plantation space. Imagine, ito yung contour ng land. This is more elevated versus with the other area. Although dito sa Bailen, napakaganda ng elevation nito kasi it's 300 meters above sea level. So, expected na nagpa-fog yung area na to, malamig din. Okay, tingnan natin yung inyong poultry area. Let's go, Benji! Anyway, eto, tingnan muna natin. It's your party area. Okay, tingnan natin. Come on! Right, so ito yung pinaka-entertainment area. So right now, ang daming sitting space or your bar area or music area, karaoke area. You know, later on, no, papakantahin tayo ng seller na to. So mamaya, kakanta tayo dito, guys. Anyway, so this property is selling fully furnished. No, anything you see is included. Wala na silang aalisin. Lahat na nakikita nyo, including the abiotic elements and the biotic elements. Now, let's go. Of course, right here is your video okay area. So you have the TV screen, you have the wine rack over here, which is part of the sale. And then right here, meron kang counter. Wow, imagine, ang ganda ng area. Kasi because of many windows, multiple window ventilation, meron siyang 360 view of the farm, the house, and the fruit-bearing trees area. So by the way, napakadami nilang puno, no? 500 rambutan, 50 mango tree, namumunga lahat. Imagine, may harvest na ito ng rambutan. Rambutan pa lang. Not included yung mangga, durian, at niyog. Okay? So this is the first structure. Sorry guys. Ito yung pinaka-entertainment area, pero napaka-exciting part na itong property is the farm area, which also generates income. It's sustainable kasi malapit sa Manila, so napakaganda ng area mag-farming. Okay, let's go, Benji. Okay, mabilis tayo kasi malaking area. Okay, to my left side, ito dragon fruit area. And then to my right side again, ayan yung pinaka-Calamansi area. Ayan. And then as you can see, the property is fully fenced. Ayan, may fence lahat. Same way, it's a title. The seller is alive, kaya madali lang pong mag-transfer kasi transfer na lang po ito. Okay, so dadalhin ko kayo ngayon dun sa kanilang lagoon and yung kanilang kuweba. Okay, may kuweba, imagine a property with special feature, maganda sa tourism or i-improve or i-develop. The same way, may poultry area. Okay, pwede pa dito maglagay ng helipad, no? Can accommodate mga 20 helicopters. Pwede yan. Shout out sa ating mga bayan sa mga helicopter dyan. Okay, so over here, ang daming mga abiotic elements. Okay, mga living animals. May ostrich, may pabo, daghan kaayo. Di mabangbang. Okay. Okay, imagine itong ostrich na to. Ayan. Dili kay kadas maganta diri ron. Okay, ayan. Awagin mo yung pang, hoy Benji!
Sarap siguro itlog din ba?
Okay, dalawang ostrich included on the sale. Of course, right there, meron ka pang mga rabbit. Okay, yung mga fan ng rabbit andito, dyan sa isang area na yan. No? Napakadami nila. Okay. Alam nyo ba, yung rabbit, no, alternative meat, no, para instead of chicken. Yan yung pagkain ng mga may cancer. Rabbit. Instead of pork, instead of chickens, rabbit meat. Okay? Right now, itong property nila, meron silang 2 security guard. And then, meron silang 5 caretaker area. Okay, over here, meron kang fish pond, no? Check this one. Tingnan natin yung fish pond. And right now, at andito na yung stock ng kanilang pagkain ng mga isda at saka yung kanilang mga manok. Okay? Imagine mo to kung gaano kalaki yan. Okay, napakadaming isda na pwedeng alagaan dito. Okay, the same way. Okay. Ito naman yung kanilang babuyan. Okay, imagine mayroon silang 25 channel ng kanilang CCTV. Okay, let's go Benji. Okay, and here, wow, this is the fish pond area. Okay, ilang butas yan? 1, 2, 3, 4. Ayan, 5 butas. No? It's your fish pond area. Okay, tingnan natin. But right now, empty. Pero paggaganahin nyo na lang. Okay, shout out sa ating mga kliyente, mga negosyante. Okay. Over here, okay, shout out kay Mr. Rey Millada. Okay, let's go guys. And then of course, no, sa ating mga buyers na bumili ng property dito sa Tagaytay and Alfonso. Oh, yung kliyente natin na sa Ayala, Alabang. Okay, thank you so much. And then in here, okay. Okay, meron kang mga ducks, no? Which is also included in the sale, which right there. And then in here, okay, let's go Benji. Let's go Benji. Okay. So ito yung pinaka poultry area. And then poultry area right there again. Imagine meron siyang 1,000 number of chickens nandito sa site na yan. And then dadalhin ko kayo ngayon sa lagoon. Anyway, itong baka na to. Ayan, okay. Ayan, ito. And yung baka na yan, guys, tandaan nyo ha, kasama yan siya sa sale. Okay, let's go, Benji. Dito ka. Buntis yan. Okay. Anyway, ito yung pinaka-easement area or the other side ng accretion area. Okay, little farm ng nature because of the stream, lake, other term, accretion. Sa Bisaya pa yung mga backyard. Ayan ang backyard. Okay. Tingnan natin yung kanilang lagoon and the cave area dito sa dulo. Okay, let's go Benji. Imagine for me, no, napakaganda nito maglagay ng rest house. Kasi it's overlooking. Ang ganda ng hangin, ang lamig. So daming trees, very nature. Of course, hindi lang, malapit lang to. No? It's, okay. Alright. Fast forward. Okay. So ito yung magandang area kasi it's the easement side. Okay. Pero part pa siya ng 7.2 hectares. Right there. Maybe I think right there. Pero magpapasurvey na lang tayo. Okay. Magkano babayad sa topo? Pag ganito kalaki? 30,000 to 80,000 pesos depende sa laki ng lote. Okay. Kasi isa-isahin nila yan. Yung mga points of beginning. Imagine na meron kang steps dito going to the lagoon in the cave area. Okay, let's go. Come on guys. Careful lang. So, imagine mayroon pa siyang mga what is this? Makapuno. Okay, ang lalaki ng mga puno something like this, no? Ayan. Okay. Okay. So maganda siyang i-develop as a resort as well. And then meron kang source of water. Imagine kasi marami kang mga hayop dito sa taas o mga animals. Okay. May poultry area kaya kailangan ng source of the tubig, which is right now meron siyang source of water. Pero ginagawan lang lagoon kasi it's a nature spring po yan. No, bukal, kumbaga. Okay? No, natural spring. Okay, right here. Imagine, di ba, napaka-secluded yung area natin. But right now, ito, dinevelop nila and improve nila as lagoon. Okay. Okay, because of the accretion, okay, so over here is the easement area, pero part pa siya ng property. Okay, and then in here, can be a tourist spot. No? In the event you have, i-develop mo itong area na to as a resort. Okay, and here, underneath, mayroon ditong kuweba. Ayan, okay? Imagine, this is nice feature sa isang property. Okay, dito sa side din, kuweba area. Okay? Pero hindi tayo pupunta dyan kasi, you know, wala tayong access. Okay? But once, wait, careful Benji. Ayan. Okay, kuweba area. Okay, so maganda yung lagoon area. So, in-improve nila itong parang, ayan, stream. Pero, ang source ito from the nature, no? Natural spring yung bukal. Pero napakalamig ng tubig. Masarap dito yeah, very intimate yung pinaka area na yan, lalo na during bonding time. And same way, yeah, pwede mo rin siya additional income. Ha? Then let's proceed sa inyong mga fruit-bearing trees. Okay, let's go Benji. Sa 300 layer, no? Ito yung paitlugan ng manok, which is included on the sale. Yan, daming manok. Ito yung literal na farm. Wow, look. See? Ayan, hello. Hello, hello, hello. Ayan. Wow, ang dami nila guys. Okay. Ay, sa may stress sila, may stress. Diba? Ang daming mga biotic elements. And then, ito yung kanilang mga itlog. Okay, sa isang araw, nakaka-harvest ito ng 1,300 na itlog. Ayan siya, no? Bumabagsak lang yung itlog diyan. And then, to-transfer nila sa tray. Ito siya, layer. Sorry po. Yan. Okay. Enough na kasi mai-stress yan sila. Lipat tayo sa iba. Okay, careful. Diba? Okay. Let's moving on to the other part. Let's go, Benji. Okay, tingnan natin yung kanilang, alam mo, yung mga kaber. Saso chicken. Okay, so dito sa side na to, piggery area. Okay, may baboy po diyan. Baboy talaga. And then, wow! Ang dami nag-aabang sa atin, no? Tingnan mo. Saso. Ayan, ito. Kasama na rin ito sa sale. Imagine mo na, napakagalante ng... Oh, hello! Look! Okay, close mo. Yan. Wow, ang lalaki. Dito, guys. Nice! Diba? Perfect. So, mga 500 chickens. Saso chicken. Ang lalaki, oh. Imagine to dan. Come here. Ayan, malalaki, di ba? Pag ako sinambong dito, lupad ko, di ba? Okay. Okay, we'll check out the fruit-bearing trees area. Okay, let's go, Benji. Alright, guys, di ba? Ayan. Anyway, no, if you haven't subscribed our channel, I invite you all to hit that subscribe button. And shout out sa ating mga kasama, no? Anyway, sa shoot na to, sa filming na to, marami tayo, guys. Meron tayong liaison. May kasama tayong surveyor. May shoutout sa ating Glenn surveyor. Hi, Glenn. Okay, dito tayo, guys. Okay. So, puntahan natin yung fruit-bearing trees, Lansones area. Di ba? Imagine, okay, nakita mo yung mga kalamansi, naka-plat, no? Di ba? Naka-arrange. Okay, naka-plat siya. Okay, maganda to. At may mga bunga na yan. Yan. Okay, so ang pinakalindero ng property or the boundary is from there, no? May fence hanggang doon sa area ng malaki pa. Okay, and here meron ka mga fruit bed trees, no? Seems like this kasoy, mangga, niyog, lansones, ang dami, oh. Okay, okay. Dito tayo. Dito, G. Dito, G. Okay. Okay. Wow. Uy, likusan jud ta ni diri ron. Okay, so imagine ito yung kanilang oh, di ba? Rambutan area. So 500 trees. So 2 tonelada yung kanilang harvest nito. So, for this time, 2 tonelada. Bukod pa yung kanilang lansones, mangga. Diba? Napakadami ng fruit-bearing trees. It generates income, imagine. And then right there, meron kang marang. And then durian. Okay. Right, ang laki. So, hindi pa natin na-check yung kanilang swimming pool and the main house, which later on we'll check out. And then over here, okay, this is the side elevation of the property, but you know, the property line is up to there. Okay, I shout out sa ating mga kliyente, no? Shout out sa ating mga clients na nasa US, Canada, California, all over the globe, for always tuning in our channel, no? From Japan, Singapore, Italy, Europe country, UK. No, thank you so much. And of course sa ating mga buyers, hi Sir Val na nasa New Zealand, and kay Ma'am Elsie Abad na nasa Australia. Hi Ma'am Elsie. Okay, let's check out over here. Okay. Okay, so right there, meron ka pang what is that? Chicken? Okay, mga native chicken, no, dito. Birds. May birds yan, no? Native chickens. Ayan. No, native chicken. Di ba? Ang dami. Imagine, no? Ito, rambutan. Napakadaming rambutan. 500 trees rambutan. Okay. So, di ba? Imagine, no? Kumpleto yung kanilang property. Okay. So, may manok, may luya, may paminta. No? Sarap sa adobo at saka sabaw, di ba? Oo. Kaya walang problema, okay? Amoy natin. Paminta nga. Okay, so as you can see, no, yung kanilang mga fruit-bearing trees naka-flat, okay? Hindi siya salasalabat, kumbaga naka-arrange. Okay? Even on the side, no, look at that, no? Naka-straight line, ang ganda ng kanilang platting, no? Okay? So, ayan. Madaling mag-harvest kapag ganito ang pag-plat ng mga fruit-bearing trees. Kasi pag during mayroon sasakyan ditong dadaan para sa harvesting, ayan, at least hindi mahihirapan paikot-ikot. Pero for me, hanggang doon pa yung kanilang property, no? You know, during the buying process, we will do the resurvey of the property. Siyempre, magpapa-due diligence tayo ng property. Nakasamahan namin kayo. Anyway, may kasama kami ngayon si Sir Glenn, surveyor. Okay, so we're done dito sa kanilang fruit-bearing trees. And let us proceed sa yung beautiful house with a pool and then with special feature underground. Okay, let's go, Benji. Dito tayo. This multi-purpose area. Okay, so multi-functional area. So ito yung freezer, cooking area, laki ng counter, may bathroom and the staff room area. And right now, mayroon silang 5 employed staff and then 2 security guard. Tingnan natin dito, guys. Wow, it's a multi-purpose area. So pwedeng meeting room, imagine kitchen, may bathroom, and then the staff room over here. Look at that. Okay. Wow. Wow, it's your meeting room. Okay. In here, you have plenty of sitting area with air conditioning units, big access, beautiful window sizes. It's fully furnished. Anything you see is included. With TV over here, with a sliding door that leads out to the swimming pool. You know, we will check out first the main house before the swimming pool area. Okay, let's go, Benji. Okay, you have the sliding doors in here. Okay, this is the main house, no? As you can see, meron siyang underground or the basement area, which is right now koi pond area. Imagine, underneath mayroon silang koi pond area. But you know, we'll try to see the access nitong kanilang pinaka koi pond. Ang laki na ng bonsai area. You know, dito sa side, the morning sun side, andito yung malaking pool. Okay, check this one. Wow! Big size swimming pool. Kaya itong property na to can be a resort, a farm resort, wedding events place. It's a multifunctional property, and yet it's reasonable. Imagine, it's 257 million plus. Improve. Titled property with farm, with cow, with fruit-bearing trees, talaga namang versus with the property for sale in Ayala, Alabang. So if I were to, then I rather to choose this huge property kasi sa valuation, mas malaki talaga ang value ng land versus with the improvement, because improvement every 5 years may deduction siya ng 20% versus with the land kasi every time or yearly may appreciation ng property. Kaya alam mo, the benefits of the real estate is for the future benefits. That's the reason why mostly of the investors spending their time investing into real estate versus with the improvements. Alam mo, dati nabibili nila ng piso pero ngayon bebenta nila ng 1,000. Imagine to that. Diba? 1,000%. Yung mga matatalino talaga, lagi silang land banking. And then, the same way, yung ating mga farmers na may mga property malalaki, talaga namang yung value din ng property nila, hindi rin sila naiiwanan sa market. Kasi they have that rights, no? It's their real property. Meron silang a bundle of rights to possess, to sell out, to donate, etc. Okay? Tignan natin yung kanilang main house. Okay, let's go, Benji. Alright, so this is the main house. Okay, so with the wrap-around balcony. Okay, with grills. You know, meron silang 7 security guards. So since galing tayo sa labas, okay, remove natin yung shoes. Okay. Okay, this is the main house, and right now, meron kang beautiful living area, expansive, you know, design right here. Yeah, with, with tempered glass. Ito yung pinaka-koi pond area dito sa ilalim. Okay, so anything you see is included. Lahat ng mga appliances. So you have the access in here also. Direct access to the balcony. And then this is the dining area. You have the bar over here with the bathroom and then the staff room area. And then right here. Okay, this is the first bedroom. Okay, right now, meron kang cabinet, may bunk bed. You know, kasama nila dito, mga staff na lang. Okay. Nice hallway, by the way. So big frames. And then to my right side again, bedroom number 2 with bunk bed. And then air conditioning unit. No, napaka-generous ng may-ari nito. Okay, imagine staff with aircon. And then in here, the third room. Oh, check this one. Okay, you have the same way. You have a bunk bed and a single bed, window, cabinetries. And then over here, it's a common bathroom. Okay, check this one. So you have exhaust, water closet, shower space, and then the same way, ito din. With water closet, water heater. Anyway, itong main house, meron siyang centralized water heater. Kaya during midnight, pwede kayong mag-take a bath. And then in here, this is the fourth room. Okay? Right now, dito yung anak ni ma'am. And then this is the master bedroom. Now, check this one. Wow! Okay, so this is the master bedroom and right now, meron kang big bed. Yeah, it's a big bed. Okay, so iyon yung kanilang pinaka-CCTV. Imagine. Okay, with air conditioning unit, with access papunta dito sa pinaka-lanay area. Imagine yung 25 channel ng kanilang camera right here. Okay? So first thing is, ito yung pinaka-main house. The balcony, and then other balcony. This is the pool area, and this is the living area, and then the other side balcony, and then another poultry area, the living area, and the dining. This is the dining area, and then the pool with water right now, and then the bodega area. What is this? Ito yung dragon fruit area. Ito naman yung pinaka poultry area, then poultry area. And then itong dalawang channel, poultry area din po yan. Plus the piggery, water station space, main entrance from the first frontage kasi the property has 3 frontage by the way. And then ito yung pinaka paanakan ng baboy, paanakan ng baboy, paanakan ng baboy, paanakan ng baboy. So with shower, anyway. Ang haba ng tour natin, Benji, ha?
Yeah.
Yeah. This is, what can you say?
This is a massive property.
A massive property, right? Okay, so we'll check out the beautiful swimming pool with, right now, meron siyang water and ready na akong mag-dive sa kanilang magandang swimming pool. Okay, let's go, Benji! Anyway, no, ito yung pinaka-main house. Ang laki niyan. Okay, and right now, this is the swimming pool. Wow, ito yung pinaka-second frontage, pinaka-main entrance. Okay, bawat gilid, meron kang dragon fruit area. Okay, and this is the swimming pool. Dito tayo galing kanina, no? Ayan, look! Wow, nice! Beautiful design. You have the kiddie pool kiddie side in here. And then adult pool right there. Ang ganda ng shower. Look at that. Massive design. Okay. It's a kiddie size or a kidney style swimming pool. Alright. So, we're done, no? Alright. So, we will proceed over here to give you the recap of this property for sale. No? Let's go, Benji. Thank you so much to our listing agents, to our seller, and to our broker for sending us this massive, huge property for sale here in Bailin, Cavite, very close to Twin Lakes, around 25 minutes drive away. So this property with a total land area of 7.2 hectares. It's fee simple. It's a titled property with improvement and may fruit-bearing trees. Property selling in the market for 257 million pesos. It's capital gain tax included. So if you are interested or anyone interested to buy and check out the 7.2 hectares property for sale in Bailin, Cavite, contact us on the numbers visible on the screen. Before we end, no, shout out sa ating mga buyers na bumili sa atin ng property from Anyana and Antel Grand Village, from New Zealand, Australia, Singapore, Japan, Italy, California, New York, Mr. Val and Mr. Mario Denoy. Thank you so much for always tuning in our channel, and sa lahat ng ating mga buyers na bumili sa South Forbes and Portofino South. Thank you so much. Again, this property with the total area of 7.2 and selling in the market for 257 M. It's our direct selling, or it's our exclusive right to sell. So if you are interested or anyone interested to buy and check out this property, contact us on the numbers visible on the screen. So again, my name is Rey, and I hope to see you in our next video. Daghang salamat. Gracias amigo all over the globe. God bless everybody. Tawagan ko yung kliyente namin kahapon, ha? Alright guys, so imagine kakain tayo. Ito yung food dito sa harap natin, from garden to kitchen. And then ito na, sa table na siya ngayon. Diba? Walang chemical added. Alright, so kain tayo mga idol. Idol Rapi, kain tayo. Idol Rapi, Idol Romeo Gakutan, kain tayo. Let's go.